I'm reviewing the Bislon 2.5 gallon 120V undersink mini tank water heater, model BI 2.5. If you need hot water for a sink or small point of use, kitchen, RV, trailer, this might be exactly what you want. Let's talk features. Capacity is 2.5 gallons, voltage is 110 to 120 V. Wattage is approximately 1440 to 1500 W. Tank is made of 304 stainless steel with laser welding, which is good for resisting rust and leaks. The heating element is L-shaped to increase heat exchange with water. It claims to heat up fast, about 8 to 15 minutes to reach desired hot temperature for up to 2 sinks, and it has smart inverter or thermal efficiency near 99%. It includes overheat protection, rust proofing, safety valves, insulation. In terms of what people like, many buyers say it's compact, fits nicely under a sink, no big weight for hot water for sink use. The stainless steel interior and safety protections get good feedback. For small tasks, users seem satisfied. Negatives: capacity is obviously limited. If you expect hot water for shower or heavy usage, this won't do. Also, 1.5 kilowatts on 110 to 120 V means limited flow and slower recovery compared to higher power models. Also, some users mention that installation needs care, breaker size, wiring, and that hot water might run out quickly if used simultaneously from 2 fixtures. Bottom line, this is a budget-friendly and space-efficient choice for sinks, RVs, small cabins, food trucks, etc. If your needs are modest, this gives hot water reliably without needing heavy infrastructure. We share buy links in description box.